going to tell you how I got this dog here with me. And let her know that everything was going to be okay. And I tell you, it was kind of nerve-wracking. If I wasn't able to bring her to Thailand, I wasn't going. But we did it. And let her know that everything was going to be okay. And I tell you, it was kind of nerve-wracking. Because you're going to put her on the plane for hours and you hope that she's going to be okay and there's going to be noise. But I just told her she'd be fine. And I knew she would be. And then I had to put her in this crate. And you have to get a crate that matches the airline's dimensions. So there she was. This is my dog Fimmel. We did it. And I've had her for 11 years. I don't go anywhere without her. I got her as a puppy and I named her after Travis Fimmel, the actor. She has all kinds of friends and every day she gets to play with all these different dogs and we have this beautiful community that we live in. So it was perfect. And we're happy here. I've been visiting Thailand many, many times over the last 5 years. My friends would watch Fimmel. And I decided when I was going to move here, well, obviously I'm not going anywhere without her. What do I have to do? I printed out a list. First of all, I went online. I looked it up. I went to Thailand government import, like what do they need from me to bring my dog into Thailand? Could you kisses? I had to apply for a permit from Thailand to import her. And in order to import her, I had to fill out all kinds of paperwork on my end in the United States so that when I got there, I could show them all of this paperwork. You're getting down? Okay, she's getting down. So here's an overview. There's 5 steps. You can freeze your screen and look at it carefully and you can see what you're going to need to do. You'll be going on the website to get an import permit from the Department of Livestock Development. And here's what that permit looks like. You'll see it in Thai, but you can take a screenshot of it and translate it into English in your ChatGPT. So that's called an R1 form. You'll fill that out. You'll have a copy of your passport, a recent photo of your dog's face, your flight itinerary, your microchip certificate, and your vaccination record. So let's go further into those things. The microchip has to be an ISO 11784 or 11785 compliant microchip. And when you get your shots, it has to be rabies, distemper, hepatitis, parvovirus, and leptospirosis. Also note that these have to be given 21 days before applying for your import permit. Then 10 days before your departure, you're going to visit a USDA accredited vet. And they're going to fill out a form and have a health certificate sent to the government. They're going to stamp that and send it back to you. And it must be a USDA certified vet. Now, I'm no expert here, so you got to do your research. But if it's for the United States, it's USDA. There's different things for Canada and the UK. One note about the rabies shot I want to tell you. Don't think you already have one that lasts 2 or 3 years or 1 year left. I'll just get it renewed in Thailand. No. The United States won't let you back in with that. So if you're going to come for a couple years and test it out, if you're going to come for a year and then you decide, oh, let me turn around and go back home. Let's say whatever. You need to get your 3-year rabies shot, again, new, in the United States before you come over to Thailand. Don't risk it when you have a little bit left. Don't do that. I checked to see if there were any additional vaccinations, and there were a couple, so I had her get all those. I went to Icon Siam to pick up her very first stroller, and she looks so cute in it and her little face while she's sitting in it, but it turns out she sleeps in that thing even when we're not going places. I found a wonderful vet for her called Iraq Animal Hospital, and she's already been there to have her checkups, and they take very good care of her. They all speak English, and it's a first-rate facility, state-of-the-art. They have everything that you need, all the treatments, and they're very affordable. When she gets home, oh, okay, it's all about all of her toys, and she has a happy home life. She's enjoying going places with me. Sometimes we people watch. There's nothing uncomfortable about this dog. And then we went to this local petting zoo where she got to see all kinds of animals. A white raccoon, never saw that before. This precious thing kissed me on the cheek. I don't know what it is. I put my puppy in dresses. Yes, I'm that kind of mom. She has to wear these dresses sometimes. She has so many friends. It's chaos downstairs every night. I also get a special pet-friendly grab, and I take her to get groomed. There's a lovely groomer called Amber Home and Boutique, and look how good they did. And they also have beautiful things for the home. So while she's getting groomed, I like to do a little shopping. I even got a wreath for her stroller. They have lots of pet stuff and beautiful Spode dishes. And I take her into the mall with me. She loves shopping. She has to. I wanted you to know that it can be done. And I wanted you to feel safe and comfortable knowing that people bring their dogs to other countries all the time. And there were a lot of people that I've met here in Thailand that have come from Russia with their dogs, England with their dogs, Japan with their dogs, Vietnam with their dogs, United States, everybody's comes. In my building, it's a pet-friendly building, Maru. There's some native Thai people here and a lot of expats. And everybody that I know has a dog. They've all brought their dogs in, so it can be done. Some people have brought 2 dogs. Some people have brought 1 dog. Some people have brought a cat. Some people brought 2 cats. I know a girl in the building that has 2 cats. So it can be done. It just takes specificity and planning. And you will feel a little nerve-wracked. I mean, I did. I don't know, maybe you won't. I did. I felt nerve-wracked because some things have to be done 10 days before your flight. And then you have to get a certain piece of paper 7 days before your flight. And if you miss the deadline, you have to start over with something. So you just have to be very, very organized with what needs to be done. You have your little spreadsheet checklist, and you just do one thing after another, and just stay focused and know that it's all going to work out. I'm proof of it. I'm on the other side of it, and my dog and I are happy here.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit.